What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BZ Rider, back at it again with yet another video. Now I know it's been a little minute since the last video. First I want to start off by saying we are over 200 subscribers now. I think it's like 221, 222 at the recording of this video. Hey, thanks to all you guys for showing your love and support. I'm gonna continue bringing dope videos out for you guys. If there's any other content that you guys want to see, or if you got questions, you know, just hit me up. I have not forgotten about the giveaway. That's still happening. Since we are definitely over our 100 subscribers mark, I will be announcing a winner here shortly. Gotta set everything up for that, so that way the drawing is fair. So just gotta follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and drop a comment. You can also check out that video. I'll leave a card up above me, wherever it comes up at. In today's video, we're going to be installing a Y pipe onto the Z, so that way it will complete everything from the test pipes back. I have the ISR GT exhaust already on the car, so I wanted to match that with the ISR Y pipe. So yeah, guys, we're getting the Z pretty close to where I want it at for this year as far as the performance goes. I'm still untuned right now. So guys, enough of me talking and rambling and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this, so that way we can see what this exhaust looks like. Everything looks like it's pretty good, well-made quality with this. I don't see this being a problem putting it onto the car, since I've already replaced the cats for test pipes and since I already have exhaust on the car. My recommendation is, if you're installing this and you haven't already gotten to any of your exhaust bolts, make sure that you soak them down just to be able to help you loosen those bolts up, because they can be a pain in the butt. We'll go ahead and give it a startup right now just to see how it sounds, and then we'll compare it later. We got the car up in the air, so now the only thing that we gotta do is get up underneath the car, and then we should be good to go. Here we go. Got the factory Y pipe on here. As most of you Z and G owners know, it is ugly, atrocious. Gotta loosen up the bolts up here on the driver's side and passenger side, as well as back there. We'll get into it.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so we have the Y pipe out. The factory Y pipe has been removed. We gotta compare these two to see how the factory one looks compared to the ISR. I can already tell by just looking at it that the ISR is going to flow a lot better compared to the factory one. As you guys can see, there's the factory on the left, the ISR is on the right. You can just see how things just smoothly go in on it compared to where it's like This is like ooh, into a nice merge collector down here. Everything is just smoother. Yeah, as far as weight, I don't have a scale. Oh, we're just gonna go off of, you know, cheap garage measurements. Compare that. Yeah, the ISR one's a little bit lighter. There's kind of another comparison of the two, how you can see how drastically different they are. But yeah, I'm excited to go ahead and get this on here now, like we've gotten to this part. If you compare like the outlet sides between like the factory to the ISR one, I mean, that's... Matter of fact, we're going, give me 1 second, we're going to do some science method here. Told you we were going to get scientific with this. Alright, so we're going to do the factory one. Factory. 61 millimeter. Alright, between this one, which is 77. It's like 16 millimeters bigger. So yeah, that's going to increase the flow right there. You know, while we're at it, guys, let me get my cup out the way. Let's take a measurement of 60.9. And this side here, 6. Okay, so we got 60 millimeters, and this was what, 61? All right, so that's 61. These are 60. Oh no, I ruined that gasket. Good thing it came with new ones. Yeah, 50.4. All right, so I mean the numbers show it. 49.4. All right, guys, so there you have it. Just conclusion right there that the ISR should make more power. The diameters of the piping is just larger. I mean, I'm not a scientist. I'm a little nerdy with things. I'll show you guys the math. We're 10 millimeters larger on the intake side where it bolts up to the cat. It's 15 or 16 millimeters larger on the exit of it. That should equal more power. All right, enough nerd talk. Let's go ahead and get this back on the car. Alright guys, so the Y pipe is installed, so you know the next thing that we have to do, we gotta start it up, make sure that everything's good. Hopefully there's no exhaust leaks. Alright guys, so we're back. It's a new day now. I got some errands that I gotta run, so we'll go ahead and take the Z out so that way we can finish up the rest of this video. But from the time of the last recording to now, I kind of messed up with the Z. Basically what I did was, that night I took it out for a test drive. I had to get some stuff, so I decided to take it through an automatic car wash, a touchless one. I've taken it through this before. Unfortunately this time, it ripped off one of my side diffusers. But yeah guys, it bent up my side diffuser, it bent the winglet up. When that came off of the car, it ended up puncturing one of my rear tires as well, so I got a flat tire. Side diffuser got kind of destroyed. I could probably still fix it and put it back on. Since then, I've already have patched my tires, so the tire is good, it's holding air. And I went ahead and took off the other diffuser off the side. Anyways, enough of that. We're going to go ahead and get into the Z. Alright, well there you have it guys. We have a successful install on the 350. The Y pipe went smoothly. I definitely feel like it picked up a little bit of power from it. I have crackles now, kind of like in between shifts and just from a high RPM coming down, which I didn't have that before with the factory one. It just looks cleaner in my opinion with that on there versus all the factory stuff. So the 350 now has pretty much full exhaust minus headers. I may do headers later, I'm not 100% sure. It just kind of depends on how antsy I'm feeling. But yeah guys, I hope that this video helps you guys out. I hope it entertains you in some type of way. If you did like this video, make sure that you do hit the thumbs up button for it. I would greatly appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel as well if you haven't already, and make sure you guys stay tuned. The Z has some big things coming to it here in the future. We should be getting some parts for it today, and I'm excited for it. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, see what's going on. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you guys already kind of know. Well, you guys should know. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.